Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am glad to have you here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite strategies or ways to adopt a no waste solution. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I do with the apple cores, the organic apple cores. Now usually we collect the apples from the nearby apple trees that are away from the pollution or away from the cars as much as possible. This is allowed here in Finland, and we use the apple for different recipes. So ensuring that the apples are local and are free from pesticides, what I do is I save the cores, and the cores are absolutely amazing for the health benefits that they have, and they have different uses as well. So I've learned this from a blog post that I read a while ago, and since then I have been following this way. Now let's just talk about apple cores. Well, they have so many benefits: vitamin C, they have potassium, vitamin K as well, and they have other things such as manganese, copper, and other minerals and vitamins. So it's important not to throw them away. If you have any space in your freezer, if you have access to organic apples, I highly advise you to do so. Now, what do we do with these apple cores? Well, first of all, if I am making a recipe that requires a large number of apples, for example, when I make the apple crumble and I make it maybe like once or twice every month, I tend to use a lot of apples. When I'm making apples, other recipes, apple cake and other different recipes that require the use of apples, I just peel it and I use what I can from the fruit side of things, and I leave the core. And then I go ahead, if I need the core for the recipe on that same day, I use it for that specific recipe. If I do not need to do the healing recipe using the cores, then I simply freeze the cores. So I collect the cores and I freeze them in either a BPA free container or in some Ziploc bags. Into the freezer they go. So then whenever I'm ready to do the healing recipes using apple cores, I simply take the apple cores that I have collected and take them out from the freezer and defrost them and use them. Now, what ways do I use apple cores for? Well, first of all, if you have any digestive problems, if you have leaky gut, if you have pain in your stomach due to bloating, gas, indigestion, apple cores are the way to go. You can simply use them in a broth like. So first of all, you can include, this is perfect for winter, this is perfect for autumn, also perfect for the cooler months of spring as well. So all you would need is just to take the apple cores, pour over some water, put them in a pot, add some cinnamon, add a little bit of clove, add a little tiny bit of nutmeg, and then just brew them. If you have any coconut sugar, if you have any honey, add that in the later stage. Brew it, add it on the middle heat as well, and allow it to simmer. Then you can gently sip or like drink the broth from the apple cores, and then just strain out the rest and discard them. Another way to use apple cores is to make apple cider vinegar, and this is one of the best ways that I rely on. I make homemade apple cider vinegar, and I will explain the exact recipe in the description box below to save you the time from this video. So I will place the recipe for the apple cider vinegar in the description below this video. I will also, based on request, if you want me to, I can dedicate a special video, step-by-step tutorial how I make my apple cider vinegar and what I do to make many different types of apple cider vinegar using the same mother. So please, if you're interested, I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Send me a message or comment below. What kind of videos are you interested in? What kind of videos and what kind of tips would you like to see? I'd love to hear from you, and if you're new to the channel, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have an amazing, great day. Bye bye.